Hello everyone, tonight I'm going to be making a soap and it's a special order. She took and picked out the oils that she wanted to use in this soap, and then she wanted coconut milk, and we're using 100% pure raw orange blossom honey. So I've taken and I've added my kaolin clay and my coconut milk powder to my oils. I'm going to go ahead and blend this up, and then I'm going to add my lye solution with the sodium lactate, and then we're going to add our honey. So I'll get this blended up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add the lye solution. I'll blend this and then be back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my honey. Okay, I'm going to add the honey, and we are leaving this unscented. So I'll go ahead and blend this up to make sure it gets incorporated really well. Stir it up and make sure everything is mixed up really well. Then we're just going to pour it in our mold, and it's just going to be pretty plain and natural. I might add some bubble wrap to the top just to give the top a little texture. So we're going to go ahead and get our mold. I will put this in the fridge with the honey and with the milk. It'll probably get pretty warm. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pound this down just a little bit to make sure we don't have any air bubbles in there. Okay, I've taken and cut a little piece of bubble wrap, and I'm going to try and push it down gently so it goes in and covers the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge. Okay, we're going to let this set up, and then we'll be back to cut it. Our soap is all set up. This is the raw orange blossom honey soap. It is unscented and uncolored. It's a special order. So we're going to go ahead and cut it. There's not going to be much color or no design, but we put the bubble wrap on the top to give it a little bit of a texture. So they're just plain, and it's got like a partial gel in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and clean these up and set them aside to cure. Thanks for watching.